In the city of innovation, Shenzhen, there is a company that takes innovation as its soul and quality as its foundation. It specializes in the field of electronic technology and provides customers with one-stop solutions from research and development, design, mold making, electronic design, to assembly. This company is Shenzhen Topwell Technology Co. Limited. Topwell understands that innovation is the vitality of a company. Therefore, we have a research and development team composed of industry experts who keep up with market trends, deeply explore customer needs, and tailor unique electronic product design solutions for clients through rigorous market research and demand analysis. From initial concept design to exquisite appearance design to complex circuit design, Topwell's designers use their professionalism and passion to turn every idea into reality. Our PCB design team, with exquisite skills and strict quality control, ensures that every circuit board operates stably and efficiently. In mold design and processing, Topwell also possesses strong capabilities. We have advanced mold processing equipment and a professional technical team that can quickly and accurately develop high-quality molds according to customer requirements. Meanwhile, our injection molding production line adopts the most advanced technology to ensure the production, efficiency, and quality of the products. Moving into the SMT and PCBA assembly stage, Topwell's automated production lines and strict quality control system ensures precise placement and soldering of every component. Our PCBA assembly team, with rich experience and exquisite craftsmanship, perfectly combines various components to form powerful and stable electronic products. In the product assembly stage, Topwell also pays attention to details and quality. Our assembly team strictly follows the product assembly, drawings, and process requirements for assembly to ensure that every product meets customer requirements. At the same time, we conduct strict inspection and testing on the assembled products to ensure their functionality, performance, and appearance meet standards. After a series of strict production processes, Topwell's electronic products finally appeared in front of customers in perfect form. Our finished product display areas showcases various beautiful and practical electronic products that not only meet customer needs but also win wide acclaim in the market. When customers place orders, our shipping team will quickly and accurately ship the products to ensure that customers receive satisfactory products in a timely manner.